All right, guys, it's now time to bore the inside of the sleeves so that they're ready for the new mechanism. So we'll go ahead and do that now. I'm going to be covering the sleeve in this brass shim stock to protect it from the jaws so that the surface doesn't have any, doesn't get any imprints left on it from the chuck. Okay, so we need to extend it to 87 millimeters deep. So we'll just touch the piece here, set that to 0. All right, we're a bit tight, only ever so slightly. So we'll just go 20 microns each pass until it goes in nice and smooth. And then we'll have that reference point that we can use for the other sleeves. Still just ever so slightly too small. Another 20 microns and that should be good. There we go. That is perfect. All right, so you can go ahead and do the exact same thing to the other sleeve. Okay, so I need to take 10.1 millimeters off of the diameter of the inner collar. All right, 10.1 mil, let's do it. All right, so I'm taking the boring bar off and replacing it with my external turning tool. All right, and I'm also going to be swapping the insert to a bigger corner radius and a slightly different grade because this is an interrupted cut. And since I'm taking off such a large amount from the diameter, I want to use a more robust insert that's definitely not going to chip. $10.1 mil. Okay, so I'm currently just facing it to make sure that face is absolutely pristine and beautiful. Okay, there we go. Just clear some of that coolant. All right, so 10.1 off the diameter. Okay. Oh, they are some hard chips. Let's go SW1. Three. Now we'll do one more finishing pass, 30 microns deep. 0. There we go. Now that is delicious, although I wouldn't eat it.
But there seems to be something slightly synthetic and plastic inside.
Okay, now we can chamfer this collar and it will be ready. So we've got to swap this parting tool here to my chamfering tool. Okay, that's chipped on every single side. So we'll go ahead and change that. Okay, now we'll just chamfer these holes. The reason that I undo the collar halfway before chamfering the holes is because I don't want any of the swarf to get in the hole and then get stuck in the thread and then make the collar get absolutely stuck on or just fuck up the threads. So I take it off halfway so no swarf can get in here. And there we have one collar calibrated, ready for the final assembly. Okay, now we can check the weight. And we are 25 on the dot.